Encountered a CFB file containing structured Microsoft data? This is a versatile container format used across many Microsoft applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these Microsoft Compound File binary files. Consider this essential for your toolkit: a single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken CFB. My top choice is here, and we'll discuss more later. A user encountering a CFB file is likely dealing with a legacy Microsoft Office document or a file from an application using Microsoft's OLE technology. Their primary goal is to extract the contents, such as a Word document or Excel spreadsheet, which are stored within this complex file system within a file structure. The CFB format is a binary container designed by Microsoft to store complex documents and objects. It implements a FAT-like file system within a single file, containing storages, directories, and streams, files. This design was crucial for Object Linking and Embedding, OLE, allowing different application data to coexist within one document. Windows often defaults to associating CFB with the Microsoft Office solution from Microsoft Corporation. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows does not process proprietary data structures, so dedicated applications must read them. The solution is often a compatibility match. Right-click the CFB file and select Open With. If Microsoft Office is installed, test it now. If not, choose another application. Every app handles errors differently. If your CFB file will not open, do not worry. We've isolated the failure to one of three common causes. Here's a concise breakdown of the most likely culprits and the specific action required to check them. First, examining with structured storage. Viewer. Use tools like Structured Storage Explorer or Microsoft's STG View to examine CFB file structure. These tools display the internal hierarchy of streams and storages, enabling navigation through the file's structure. Useful for understanding what data CFB-based files contain and extracting specific streams for analysis. Next, opening specific file types. If the CFB file is actually a legacy Office document, MSI installer, or other recognizable format, rename to the appropriate extension and open with the corresponding application. The CFB structure is the underlying container, so the file may be one of many specific formats requiring identification by content analysis. Finally, programmatic access. Use libraries like Compound Files Python package or .NET Structured Storage APIs for programmatic CFB access. These libraries enable custom tools that read, modify, or extract data from CFB files. Useful for automated processing of legacy Microsoft formats or extracting specific embedded content from Compound documents. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.